Welcome students to the session of panoramic physics. Students, today we'll discuss numericals based on your acceleration due to gravity, variation of acceleration due to gravity with height and depth. तो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला जो था that is g equal to gm upon r square is also there. We have formula of r plus h upon r whole square. Likewise, we have formula g equal to gh equal to g 1 minus 2h upon r. This was also with the formula with us, and we have one more formula, that is r upon r plus h whole square, that is gh upon g. And for depth we have gd equal to 1 minus d upon r. Likewise, we have a series of formulas which we have to apply according to the situation, according to the numericals. Let's see how. Students, now it is seen that the value of acceleration, first understand the numericals. Numericals में हम बहुत सारी गलतियां करते हैं. The reason being we don't able to understand numerical first. Value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth is 9.8. Calculate the value of g at a height 100 kilometers above the surface of Earth. 10, 20, 30 up to 100 kilometers. We have discussed what type of variations we have to use. कि हमें यहाँ पे कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करना था. That is gh equal to g1 minus h upon r. If you remember this formula, this we have to use. That is g equal to g1 minus 2h upon r. Sorry, this is the formula which we have to use for the lesser heights. But for the higher above the space, something about thousands and above that, 10,000 kilometers and all, we have to use some other formula. Same thing is there, but in this way we have to consider that to find the proper result, proper variation. Here we'll use this one. How? Let's see. First of all, whenever numericals come, you have to write given. इसमें आपको क्या क्या given है. So solution of first numerical I am writing here. Given. First of all, what is given to you? Here it is given height, that is 100 kilometers. Value of g 9.8 meter per second square. And radius of Earth, that is 6400 kilometers. ये तो आपको सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. Now they are asking you calculate the value of g at a height h. That is gh you have to calculate. And simply you know this formula, that is g equal to 1 minus 2h upon r. Simply अब हम क्या करेंगे? We have to put all the values in the formula. This is a formula oriented question. अब इसमें ये वाला formula ही क्यों लगा? Because यहाँ पे height कोई बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. It is 100 kilometers. So as we have discussed in our previous videos, जब height एक नॉर्मल अमाउंट में है 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30 किलोमीटर लाइक दैट, तो वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस फॉर्मूला. नाउ हियर gh इज इक्वल टू, नाउ g इज हियर 9.8, 1 minus 2 into 100 upon r, that is 6400 kilometers. 0 get cancelled, we get 9.8, 1 minus 1 upon 32. On solving this, we get 9.49 meter per second square. This is value which is less than the value of g. g की वैल्यू कितनी होती है स्टूडेंट्स? g की वैल्यू होती है 9.8 meter per second square, and here it is now 9.49 meter per second square. That clearly shows that gh is less than g. So this numerical is over. Now students, what is the second numerical? At what height above the Earth's surface? Let me rub this. Now, what is the second numerical we have? Second numerical is there, that at what height above the Earth's surface the acceleration due to gravity will be 1/9 of its value. उसकी 1/9 हो जाएगी value at Earth's surface. ऐसे कितनी हाइट होगी कि उसकी वैल्यू 1/9 हो जाएगी अर्थ की ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड से? 1/9. इट मीन्स वो काफी सारी हाइट पे होगा. इट मीन्स अगर g हम gm अपॉन r स्क्वायर वी नो एट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ वो ये रहता है. फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस न्यूमेरिकल. एट सर्टेन हाइट gh it should be g by 9। अब यहाँ पे GH का कौन सा फॉर्मेट यूज करेंगे, कौन सा फॉर्मूला, हियर GH upon G is R upon R plus H whole square will be used, because यहाँ पे हाइट्स जो है बहुत ज्यादा होने वाली है। रीजन कि एक्सेलरेशन टू ग्रेविटी विल बी 1/9 ऑफ इट्स वैल्यू, कितनी हो जाएगी 1/9। तो लेट्स सी हाउ इट विल वेरी। फर्स्ट गिवन टू यू इज, आपको क्या गिवन है, GH इज 1/9 ऑफ G, दैट इज GH इज G/9, ये आपको given है now of its value, and you have to find height, at what height, that is you have to find this H here. R is also given to you, if it is not, it is 6400 kilometers. R is 6400 kilometers. It is the same radius of Earth. Now let's come to the conclusion, how we'll do this numerical. According to question, now हमें पता है we have to use this formula. Now given GH is equal to G/9 implies G/9, GH की जगह आप लिखेंगे G/9 into 1 upon G equal to R की जगह will write 6400 kilometers, 6400, that is 6400 upon 6400 plus H whole square. G get cancelled. Now we are left with, अब हमारे पास क्या सिचुएशन आ गई स्टूडेंट्स, now we have 6400 upon 6400 plus H whole square equal to 1/9, and from here 6400 upon 6400 plus H is 1/3. You know why it is 1/3? Because under root of 9 is 3. Now it comes out to be 6400 plus H into 3, and it is 6400. Sorry, 6400 into 3. By mistake I have written this. 6400 into 3. That is 6400 into 3 equal to 6400 plus H. Rearranging, we get, this comes out to be 19200 minus 6400. That is approximately equal to your 128, that is 12800 kilometers, not this, 192, yes, it comes to be 12,800 kilometers. So this is the height, और now from this height you can easily determine, इससे आप एकदम पता लगा सकते हो कि हमें फॉर्मूला कौन सा यूज करना चाहिए था. Now, so students, numerical number 3 and 4. In third numerical, it is given a body weighs 63 Newton on the surface of Earth. Earth के surface पे उसका weight है 63 Newtons. What is the gravitational force on it due to Earth at a height equal to half the radius of Earth? अब given क्या है, weight. Weight is 63 Newtons. And weight is basically mass into gravity. That is 63 Newtons. एक तो ये given है आपको in your third question here. This third numerical. And what is the gravitational force on it due to Earth at a height equal to half the radius of Earth? Height कितनी given है? Half the radius of Earth. That is H is given R/2. Now students, we know the formulation that GH equal to G R upon R plus H whole square. ये हमें given है ये चीज, ठीक है? Now here it is, H is R/2. Before proceeding to any other thing, let us first multiply both sides by mass. That is mgh equal to mg r upon r plus h whole square. Why I have multiplied this with mass? Basically we have to find what is the gravitational force, and force is mass into gravity. लेकिन gravitational force कहाँ पे निकालनी है, इस particular height पे जहाँ h is r/2. What is the gravitational force on it due to earth at a height equal to half the radius of earth? इस height पे कितनी gravitational force होगी, that is mass into gravity. Due to height h is, that's why I have written gh. यहाँ है mass into gravity, this is given to you, that is 63 Newton is weight. तो यहाँ आ गया 63. Now here it is r upon r plus h whole square. That is, इसे आप ऐसे लिख लीजिए, r square r plus h, r square r plus h whole square. Now it comes 63 is here, r square upon r plus h की जगह r/2 whole square. Now let me write next step here only. Now the next step after this will be, this is 63 r square, here 2r plus r/2, that is comes to be your 9, that is, let me write once, 3r upon 2 whole square, that comes to be 63 r square upon, that is 9r square into 4, that comes out to be, entire thing will cancel out and you will get 3 into r square get cancelled. Here it is your, that is 28 newtons. It comes out to be 28 newtons. This is the force at this height where h is equal to r/2. Now students, next numerical, very interesting one. Essentially due to gravity at depth d, radius by 25%, at depth d radius is reduced by 25% from the value at the surface. 25% radius को हमने reduce कर दिया. Then what is 25% of reduced value? That is here, it is from the surface, therefore it is like that, 25% of from the surface, अर्थ के surface से 25% of g, that is your from the surface, that comes out to be 25/100 into g, that is your g/4. एक तो ये वैल्यू आ गई. Essential to gravity at depth d, radius 25% from the value at the surface. Here radius is 6400 kilometers. And now we have formula for this, that is gd is equal to g1 minus d upon r. But here, according to situation, it is g/4. gd is your g/4. That is g/4 equal to g1 minus d upon, that is here r is 64. G get out cancelled. We are left with 6400 minus d upon 64 into 1/4. Now this entire things comes out to be, so students, let me write it here now. It comes out to be 6400 minus d, 6400 equal to 1/4. It comes out to be 6400 minus d equal to 6400 divided by 4, that is your 1600, minus d equal to minus, that is 1600 minus 6400 will be minus 4800 equal to minus d, minus get cancelled, implies d equal to 4800 kilometers. And this is the formula which we have to use over here. So students, you have seen how we apply, the most applicable part is your numericals, these formulas to our numericals. Study them carefully and precisely.